Hello, friends. It's great to be back with you again. Let us see what Samartha Ramdas Swami has said in his 188th shloka. Guru pahata pahata laksha koti bahusal mantravali shakti moti mani kamana चेटके धात माता जनी व्यर्थ रे तो नभे मुक्ति दाता. There are millions of gurus in this world. They have a lot of power in their magic spells, and some have occult powers. They have their own desires in their minds and can do black magic as well as can deliver captivating speeches. Oh, my mind, they are worthless in this world and will not be able to provide you the salvation. In this shloka, Samartha Ramdas Swami explains about those who are not the real gurus, who will be able to guide us to seek the supreme reality. Let us be very clear here. We are not talking about the gurus who are teachers, professors, lecturers in the education field, schools and colleges, or gurus in other fields like self help and motivation. This is specifically about those so called spiritual gurus and babas who sometimes have a mass following too. If we look around, we will find them everywhere, as there are probably hundreds of thousands of them all over the world. Many of them will do tricks like magicians and will make apples or incense sticks appear from nowhere. Some of them will be experts in black magic. Some of them have great oratory powers and will give fantastic speeches to mesmerize the crowds. Many real cases have been found where these fake gurus were actually running an empire, and some even were accused of wrongdoings to their devotees. Some have been outright funny and providing solutions to those in distress, like instead of eating samosa with red chutney, eat it with green chutney, or asking people to eat pani puri or golgappas in order to overcome the problems related to their health. Majority of these fake gurus have their own desires in the back of their mind. Those might be related to lust, greed, desire to have fame, and so on. It seems like they feel this to be an opportunity to earn these things with a minimal investment by growing a beard and wearing special clothes. Unfortunately, there are many who believe in these gurus and become their followers, thinking that they will solve their problems in this material world. The root cause might be that those who are suffering in life due to family issues or work related issues or not able to have children for many years or facing health issues and many other personal challenges tend to very quickly believe in the shortcuts to get out of such problems. They come to know about these fake gurus through the word of mouth. Usually, they meet someone who tells them that they know some friend of theirs whose relatives knew a friend whose maternal uncle or some relatives had some kind of similar issues which were magically resolved after getting some advice from a baba or a guru. Then there are some gurus who will even charge money to enter into their ashram and more money for each question which will be asked to them, or some even charging on a per minute rate. We all probably have come across some such guru or baba sometime in our life. Samartha Ramdas Swami is mentioning and telling us and our minds to be aware of such fake gurus and that they are worthless. So, what we see now is not a problem which is occurring in this century, but this trend seems to be there from hundreds of years. As long as there are problems in the lives of people in this world, which will be forever, there will be few fake gurus taking advantage of the situation for their own benefits and satisfaction of their own desires. These are not the real gurus who will help us in achieving the knowledge about our real self and about the supreme reality. The real gurus and saints are beyond anything which belongs to this material world. They have overcome their desires and are true devotees of God. They will not expect anything in return for their own benefits. We need to be really careful in identifying the real gurus or saints before we jump on the herd culture and start following some fake guru. Friends, if you like this explanation, feel free to provide your feedback and do like, share, and subscribe to the YouTube channel A Dialogue with Our Mind. जय जय रघुवीर समर्थ।